How to hide or show
Textbook
online player
closing
ID
down,
or
and now they're
online
on the
username in
attack.
FC 26 in 2026 July. Let's begin. Go to Settings, Game Settings. Head over to Visual. Scroll down and find Indicators. Select Player Name Bar, select Enable plus Overhead. ID indicator fade to off. That's it. Enjoy your online session on FC 26. Leave a like and subscribe and comment down below if the video helps or not.
Well, they're getting the ball moving, and Barca believing again. And covering tremendous ground here. Electing to shoot. Really sound defending. Opportunity here. Oh, what a save! He's driven in the corner. Well, the main thing is to thump it away. Well, they can keep possession of it now.